Marisol, and in this video, we're going to work together to complete the workbook pages for the videos you've just watched. In the videos you've just watched, you've learned so much. You've learned about the 5 out of 5 model. You've learned about the importance of eating balanced meals. You've learned about snacks and extras foods. You've learned how to identify snacks that do not give us any nutrient powers. And you've learned about moderate to vigorous physical activity. Excellent job, everyone. As always, you're doing amazing work. And now we're going to focus in on those workbook pages. We will be focusing on Lesson 5, Dinner Detectives and Smart Snackers, which can be found on pages 19 and 20. Page 21 is actually an optional page that does not need to be turned in. I will be discussing page 21 in a short while. But for now, I'd like you to pause this video, gather all the materials that you need to complete these workbook pages so we can get started. Once you're ready to get started, just press the play button. Excellent! Let's get started. Awesome, students. Let's go ahead and get started. We are at the top of page 19. Lesson 5, Dinner Detectives and Smart Snackers. What's on the menu? You have just bought a restaurant and you want to create something special for your new grand opening. Directions. On the lines below, create a new dinner special for your menu. Be sure to list all of the foods and beverages required to complete the special menu. Tally the foods you have represented in your meal. Fill in the bubble for each serving. Determine what is missing to make the meal balanced. Wonderful, students, so let's get creative and inventive and create a new dinner special. Write down your new dinner special on the lines provided. Make sure to keep in mind the 5 food groups. Go ahead and pause this video now to complete this section. Once you're ready to move forward, just press the play button. Excellent job, students. Now we're on number 2. Tally the foods you have represented in your new dinner special. Fill in the bubble with the letter X for each serving of each food group. So, students, for this section, you are going to identify how many servings of each of the 5 food groups you have identified in your new dinner special. Let's say, for example, you have identified 3 servings of the dairy food group. What you're going to do is fill in 3 bubbles that correspond to the dairy food group. And how you're going to do so is by placing the letter X inside the bubbles. Try to follow this example as you complete number 2. Go ahead and pause this video now to complete this section. Once you're ready to move forward, just press the play button. Good job, everyone. Now we're at the bottom of page 19 where you see number 3. Number 3. If your dinner is balanced with all 5 out of 5 food groups represented, great job! Write the word balanced on the lines below. If your dinner is not balanced, what foods could you add to make it a 5 out of 5 balanced meal? Name the food group, main nutrients, and health benefits of the foods you've added. So, students, for this section, we are going to modify our new dinner special by adding foods to make it a balanced meal that follows the 5 out of 5 model. So let's say, for example, you are missing vegetables in your new dinner special. Under the Need to Add column, which is on the left side, you would write down broccoli or a vegetable of your choosing. In the Food Group column, which is in the middle, you would write down vegetables, because broccoli or a vegetable of your choosing belongs to the vegetable food group. And in the main nutrient and health benefit column, which is on the right side, this requires a 2-part answer. You need to write down the main nutrient and the health benefit. We know that the main nutrient of vegetables is vitamin A, and the health benefit is healthy skin and eyes. So the answer for this is vitamin A and healthy skin and eyes. Try to follow this example as you complete number 3. Go ahead and pause this video to take your time completing this section. Once you're ready to move forward, just press the play button. Awesome job, students. Now we are going to move on, and we are at the top of page 20, What I Learned. You always give information on your restaurant's menu so that your guests have all the facts they need in order to make healthy choices. Directions. Explain to your guest why your new dinner special on page 19 should be part of your guest's choice. Be sure to include why it is important to eat a balanced dinner. Students, let's go ahead and write down your paragraph on the lines provided. but remember to keep in mind health benefits and what health benefits your guests may receive if they choose your new dinner special. Go ahead and pause this video to complete this section. Once you're ready to move forward, just press the play button. Wonderful job, students. Now we are in the middle of page 20. Super snacks. Directions. Look at the snacks choices below. Circle all the snacks that are healthy. So students, go ahead and focus on only the healthy snacks and circle only the healthy snacks. If you need time, go ahead and pause this video to complete this section. When you're ready to move forward, just press the play button. Excellent job, students. Now we're going to focus on the question right below the snack pictures. Number 1. Why are the snacks you circled a healthy choice? Go ahead and write down a few sentences of why are the snacks you circled the healthy choice. Think about health benefits. Go ahead and pause this video now to complete this section. Once you're ready to move forward, just press the play button. Wonderful job, students. Now we're on number 2. Which snacks in the picture above are not food group snacks? What could you trade for a healthier choice? So students, for this section, we are going to focus on the unhealthy snack choices and trade them for healthy snack choices. Some examples of healthy snack choices are apples with peanut butter, yogurt parfait, carrot sticks, and so many more. Think about a healthy snack that you enjoy. Go ahead and pause this video to complete this section. Once you're ready to move forward, just press the play button. Wonderful job, everyone, completing your workbook pages. You are all rock stars. Please remember to turn in your workbook pages, which are pages 19 and 20. I will be moving on to page 21. And as I mentioned earlier, page 21 is an optional page that does not need to be turned in. If you do not wish to move forward and complete page 21, that's a-okay. We'll see you next time. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye for now. But if you would like to complete page 21, that's awesome. I will be here to help you along the way. Page 21 requires that you have a family member present to help you complete page 21. This could be an aunt, an uncle, mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, anyone. So please take a moment now to pause this video and find a family member that is available to help you complete page 21. Once you're ready to move forward, just press the play button. Fabulous! Let's get started. Fabulous job, students. Let's go ahead and get started at the top of page 21, where you see Student Activity. Directions. Write down the foods and beverages you ate for dinner tonight on the food and beverage record below. Okay, students, so take your time completing this section of the workbook. It says to write down the food and beverages you had for dinner tonight, but you can also write down what is your favorite dinner, just in case you haven't had dinner yet, or maybe you just can't remember what you ate. Also, I'd like to point out that at the bottom of this record, you see, for each glass of water consumed, check a box. Go ahead and complete this as well. You're going to check a box by placing the letter X inside the boxes, and each completed box is going to represent a glass of water you have consumed. Go ahead and pause this video now to complete this section. Once you're ready to move forward, just press the play button. Wonderful job, students. Let's keep going. We're going to start at the middle of page 21, where you see Family Activity. Directions. With your child, review the foods he or she ate for dinner. Student. Interview the adult or family member, asking him or her the following questions and recording his or her answers. A. Did you like the dinner? Why or why not? B. Would you change anything in this meal? If yes, what? C. With your child or the student, try to determine if this was a balanced meal. Ask your child or student what makes a balanced meal using the 5 out of 5 model. If it was not balanced, what needs to be added to it to make it balanced? D. Did you help prepare the meals when you were a child? E. What was your favorite meal as a child? Describe the meal and foods. So students, please take your time answering all of these questions. Go ahead and pause this video to complete this section. Once you're ready to move forward, just press the play button. Great job, students. Now we're towards the bottom of page 21, where you see our family plan. The first and most important place where healthful food attitudes and habits are learned is in the home. Children learn best by doing. So let's get them more involved. Set up a goal that your family would like to work on. Number 1, fill in the blanks below. Number 2, select the healthy choices you will work on for your goal. Students, take a moment to read all the options you have available to help you set your goal. Once you finish this, make sure you provide your signature where it says student signature and ask the adult or family member you are working with to also provide their signature where it says parent signature. Go ahead and pause this video to complete this section. Once you're ready to move forward, just press the play button. Excellent job, everyone, completing the family activity. You're all rock stars. And now I'd like to thank you so much for all your wonderful efforts. And please remember to turn in those workbook pages, which are pages 19 and 20. Until next time, have a great rest of your day. Bye for now. Deep into the wild.